So, we are in the Bitterroot Mountains in Montana, and it's June 18th, 21. Really beautiful place. Anyway, we're just pulled into a campground for a few days, and a couple of days back, I had a landing gear, my left side landing gear, failed to retract, and when I looked up under here, this linkage rod that connects the motor and the drive gear was sheared off right there at that bolt. So I called around, and nobody had that repair kit. And then I did find it on Amazon, and then I made a couple of more quick calls, and in Butte there's an RV dealership on Harrison that had the parts kit. So I went down there and got it, and after much pounding, and I had to remove the motor and everything else, we got that bit right there was sheared off, and so that was replaced. And then the linkage rod, a smaller rod, slips into this one. It's square tube, 3/4 inch, but what slips on the inside of it is 1/2 inch, or 3/4 inch OD linkage rod goes into it. So this is the original, and you can see it's cracked, and it's actually cracked all the way through. So this thing was going to fail at some point. And retracting the gear, or getting this back up on the truck when the gear was not working properly, it wouldn't extend or retract. So I had to use a bottle jack in combination with cribbing to get this trailer up onto the ball of our very high truck. And so I don't want to go through that again. So solution is just to go get yourself another 3/4 inch OD square tube, 1/8 wall, and then obviously I'm going to drill a hole right there that corresponds to this hole, and then we'll put this back into place. It just slides in, and then there's one screw, and then that's it. So at that point, the landing gear will be fully restored, and then we'll be good to go. So anyway, that's how that went. I would say, for anyone out there, make sure you carry 1 or maybe 2 bottle jacks. I would recommend 2, because you might need one to get the other one out. When I was jacking this up, the jack, when I let it down, it was all the way down, and it still had weight on it, so I couldn't get it out. So I had to use the second jack to relieve the pressure on the first jack. So it's just a good idea, if your landing gear ever fails, to have a way to get your trailer back up onto your truck, because you don't want to be stuck out in the middle of nowhere. Anyway, so that's it for now. Just wanted to give a quick update on how I repaired our landing gear jack. Anyway, that's it.